before I start with my calendar preparation, I'd like to give you the sizes for my little bags. We have 23 and 27 centimeters. That's my height. That's the width. And after cutting out the pieces of fabric from a large piece of fabric, you fold it in half, and then you take 1 centimeter from here, from the top, and you also fold it here, so that we get a nice little edge here, and we are going to sew on this edges later, but I'm going to show this in my video. Okay, let's we start here at the top, and with a regular straight stitch, and make the seam nice looking here on top. My dear fellow collectors, beside my Barbie projects, I plan a calendar for the next Advent for my father. This is the first sack or bag from my calendar. I have 23 more to go. This one is already ready, but I still have to iron it later and then fold it, that the inside comes out. That's just the first part. The second part is, as you can probably imagine, it's a new machine. I bought a second one. It's a combination machine that you can use for sewing and embroidering, and I plan to do these little hangers for the sacs or bags for my calendar. That's the last step. So let's sew first. Okay, just in case you haven't realized, I think what I did yesterday was sew this, and then you fold it, and then we wrap it like this, and then we have to sew here and here. And then we are ready. I just to attach the band for hanging it somewhere. Okay, so now let's start. I use reverse. And go this way, and another reverse one. Yay, I have a thread cutter here. It's kind of exciting. I have not used my machine, my new one, very often. I just got it, I think, 6 weeks ago, but I haven't used it for sewing very often. Okay. I just think about how to attach the next. But I think I have to go a little bit further down on the second one. So that you can close the little bag or sack or whatever you might call it. Needle down, and then let's start. That's what my little baggies look like, or my sacks look like at the moment when they are finished. I have done all 24, and the next step is to embroider the numbers for my little sacks.